I'm Joanna, your automotive woman. Welcome to a special edition of How To Tuesday on a Sunday. With gas prices insanely expensive right now, I didn't want to wait until Tuesday to tell you how to save on gas. So in no particular order, I'll kick things off with driving habits. If you're the type of driver who likes to smash the throttle, oh yeah, oh my God, that's amazing! Well, then get ready to pay up. There's absolutely no need to lay down rubber at a street light or stop sign because you're not going to win any trophies, but instead earn a potential ticket for causing unnecessary noise. Instead, try to keep your air conditioning off as much as possible. Keep your RPMs low and use cruise control when you can, because believe it or not, it actually improves your fuel efficiency by 7 to 14% when you use a cruise control on the highway. Next up, lose some weight. Yeah, I said it. You're chubby. Okay, I don't mean you, I mean your vehicle. Remove items that don't really need to be in the trunk or garbage piling up on the back seat. And as for your kids, well, make them walk. But seriously, walking, public transit, carpooling, riding a bike, all great options to save money on fuel and benefit your health. Now, let's talk about basic vehicle maintenance. Keep your vehicle as aerodynamic as possible. Properly secure your fuel cap. Getting your tires rotated a minimum of twice per year or doing it yourself. Checking for proper tire inflation weekly is very easy. And it's all things that you can do on your own. Simple stuff, even oil changes, right? You could do that on your own or go to a dealership. Doesn't cost that much. And speaking about vehicles, consider purchasing an electric vehicle, even an electric bike or an electric scooter or electric skateboard. Just make sure you put on a helmet, because if you're like me, your brain is your greatest asset. Not quite ready for an electric vehicle? Well, next time gas prices do drop, consider purchasing some extra fuel to store in canisters. And remember, one of the best tips I can share with you is try not to purchase fuel on Mondays or Fridays, or essentially before long weekends. And even consider joining a members club like Costco, Sam's Club, or Walmart Plus, because their fuel is mostly all the time cheaper. But now I saved the best tip for last. Watch a future episode of How To Tuesday where I teach you how to siphon gas from your neighbor's car. Okay, that's a huge joke because that's actually considered a crime. But in my opinion, everyone should know how to siphon fuel, because if you do run out of fuel and your friend comes to save you, well, while you're stranded on the side of the road, you'll need to know how to siphon fuel. Guys, I'm Joanna, your automotive woman. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss Out to Tuesday or Feature Car Friday. Thanks for watching, guys.